Hey, what is up everybody? This is Tattoo Bart and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, we got yet another really cool review for you guys. We are going to talk about a product from CNC and it's their brand new E80, which is a stroke adjustable tattoo machine. Now, of course, we have seen that before from the Chronos. So in this video, I'm also going to take the Chronos into the video and kind of have a little side-by-side comparison. It's not going to be a full-on comparison video, but it would be cool to see if we can spot any differences in these two machines. So without further ado, let's just dive down and see what we got inside this box. What I really love about this battery, it is super simple, it's super straightforward, there's not a whole lot going on, but I like the size of it. I also really love that on the Fold Pro, like the original Dragonhawk Fold Pro, it had this short battery. I just know that there were a couple of people, or a lot of people actually complaining about the buttons, that they were coming off. And this one has kind of that same size of battery, and it has these really robust buttons on the side and they really look unbreakable. It looks really good. I really love the matte finish on this and it runs super smooth. um Also like the fact that it goes up to 4.5 millimeters of stroke, so it can give you that extra power, and it goes down to 2.4, which will give you absolute super smooth and soft shading. I think for tattooing you probably want to stay a little bit more around that 3.0 or maybe 2.7, but of course that is all personal preference. But so far this machine, it runs super smooth, looks really good. I really love it so far. Let's have a quick side-by-side comparison with the CNC Chronos. Now of course this one has the display on the top and not on the side. Also this one has a lot of smaller buttons and it feels a bit heavier. It's not a whole lot heavier. I think it is more like that, all that weight is more down in the bottom, where on the E70, it is also a little bit heavier on the bottom, but it feels a little bit more balanced, where this one has all that weight in the bottom. Also, the battery is a little bit taller, and this one is a bit shorter. Now, on the E80, that battery does run for a good 6 hours or so, it says in the manual, but we're going to test that out in the field, of course, because we're going to take this one to the shop and see if we can do some tattoos with it. Now, while we're at it, let's just do a couple of lines with the cartridges that we got and do a little bit of shading. Now, I'm not going to go over every single stroke. I just want to see if it lines a bit better on 4.5 than, for example, on the 3.9, and how it shades on 3.9 compared to a 3.0 or 2.4. See if we can spot any differences in this and see how comfortable and how good of a work it produces. So I'm gonna grab some practice skin and then I'll see you right there. So I have the 7-round liner, which is a 10 gauge 7-round liner. So it's a pretty fine 7, and the 9-round Magnum that we got, also a 10 gauge, by the way, that we got from CNC. But just to see how much of a bold line it can pull, I also grabbed one of these 14-round liners, so we can see if it actually can handle a bolder line as well. So that was the review of the E80 by CNC, and I have to say I actually really love this machine. Now on the practice skin, I did feel like the lining was was very powerful actually, because at some point I actually dug into the practice skin, and I was only at the 3.9 millimeter stroke. So it is always a bit tricky and a bit hard to say what is best for your lining. Now, usually I like a larger stroke, like a 4.5 or higher. But I have to say, this machine has a lot of power. And that could also be because the voltage was maybe running a little bit too fast at the short stroke. So it gets a little bit faster or something like that. So that helps tearing up the practice skin. So yeah, I do really love it to line around that 4.5. It does have a lot of power, and it does put in that 14 round liner uh, pretty much effortless, which is a good thing. I really love that small, stocky battery on the top that I also really loved on the E77 Pro, I believe. That also has a nice, short, chunky battery on top. This one as well. The weight distribution is absolutely nice, and the shading is just phenomenal. I was shocked, especially because usually I'm trying to play around a little bit more with like softer machines and shorter strokes to do shading. And I have to say, at the 2.7, it was so smooth. I hope you can hear it in the video. You can hear the difference between the 3.9 millimeter stroke shading and the 2.7. You can hear it, you can feel it, and on practice skin, it doesn't really show how soft the shading actually is, but I'm pretty sure if we take this to real skin, we can see 100% how much of a difference it will make in the smoothness of the shading. So I think with that being said, it's going to be very important that we're going to take this machine to the shop and we're going to do some tattooing with it. So if you don't want to miss out any future videos on this machine where it actually takes this to real skin, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that would be really helpful. And of course, like this video, leave a comment to help this channel out. Now, as always, I will put a link in the description down below where you can have a look at some of the products from CNC, as well as a discount code for you so you can have a extra 10% off whenever you're buying from CNC. Now, other than that, I don't think I have a whole lot more to say other than I wish you all a wonderful day and a Merry Christmas if I don't see you before that time. And I will see you in the next video.